Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create an abandoned cart email on Mailchimp. This is a powerful automation that helps you recover lost sales by reminding customers about items they left behind in their cart, which can significantly boost your revenue. First, open your web browser and navigate to Mailchimp.com. Once you're on the homepage, you'll need to access your account by clicking the Login button. Enter your credentials to get started. This will take you to your Mailchimp dashboard where you can manage all your email campaigns and automations. Now look over to the left navigation panel and click on Automations. This section is where Mailchimp houses all your automated email workflows, making it easy to set up campaigns that run on autopilot. Once you're in the Automations area, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen and click on Flow Templates. These pre-built templates save you time by providing ready-made workflows for common email marketing scenarios. From here, scroll down through the list of templates that Mailchimp has to offer. You'll see various options designed for different purposes, but what you're looking for is the template named Recover Abandoned Cart. Go ahead and click on it. Since this is such a popular workflow, Mailchimp has already stored this type of automation specifically for subscribers who leave items in their cart. All you need to do is tweak the settings and apply your own branding to the email replies. Click on Use this flow in the top right corner of your screen to proceed. Next, you'll need to fill out the necessary fields to customize this workflow for your business. Click on Select a Store, then use the drop-down menu to choose your store from the list. This connects the automation to your actual e-commerce platform. You'll also want to add the Customer Cart Contains section, which specifies which products were left behind. Once you've filled in all the required information, click Save Trigger to lock in these settings. Now it's time to create the actual email your customers will receive. Click on Create an Email and you'll see several fields that need customization. Start with the To and From fields to ensure the email appears professional and reaches the right audience. Then craft a compelling subject line that encourages customers to return and complete their purchase. You can also set up a schedule for when this email should be sent after a cart is abandoned. For those who want deeper insights, you can add a Google Analytics link for tracking purposes, which helps you monitor the effectiveness of your abandoned cart campaign. On the right side of your screen, you'll see two options, Legacy or New Builder. Click on either one to create and design the email you'll be sending to customers who abandon their carts. This is where you can add your branding, product images, and persuasive copy that encourages customers to complete their purchase. Once you're satisfied with your email design, click Save and then click Continue in the top right corner of your screen. And there you have it, you've successfully set up an abandoned cart email automation that will help recover lost sales automatically. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.